So guys, what's up? Besides my penis, Terry, they know about that already. That's not even an option. That's like letter D on the test. That's not even an option, you crazy person. Gosh.
Oh my gosh.
You can't pick my penis on a test. It's not a fucking option. Is it like multiple choice or like multiple penis? I don't know.
Yeah, but what if you're writing stuff and you need a word that consists of the letter D?
Oh, then yeah, that could be MY space PENIS smiley face. Yeah.
What? Oh my god, shut up.
This is all on video too.
Girl. Thanks for flushing. You're a guy who flushes.
Yeah, who flushes? I don't flush.
Right now.
Hey, if it's yellow, let it mellow. Yeah, that's from Meet the Fockers.